What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Brud from Sprunki. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page, draw a curve for the bottom edge of the bucket. So we're gonna start on the top left side. We're gonna bend this down and then across towards the right. Now from the ends, we're gonna angle this up and then in towards the top. So we'll start with the left. We're gonna go up with a straight line, stop right about there. Now I want to draw that same length line on the right side. We're gonna angle this in. So we'll start from the bottom right. It's gonna taper it so it gets narrower as we come up towards the top of the bucket. Let's connect the end with a curve, going up and then down. Let's draw the front edge of the bucket, starting on the left. We're gonna come down, across, and then out. Now I want to come all the way down towards the bottom and draw a large circle for the head going in behind the bucket. So we're gonna start from this point, go all the way around, left side, come down towards the bottom of the head. Now I want to pull this up towards that bottom right corner of the bucket, going across, and we'll bend that up. Now inside the head, we're going to draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, going all the way around, and then back up. And then the eye on the right is going to get tucked in underneath the bucket. So we're going to start up here, draw that same size circle, coming down towards the same height, and then up. Let's push the pupils towards the outside. So we're going to start from the bottom left eye, draw a smaller circle, going all the way around, and then out. Now the one on the right is going to get pushed up underneath the bucket, coming down, and then up. Let's go up above the left eye and draw a curve for the eyebrow, going up and then down. Now in the center, come all the way down towards the bottom and draw a straight line going across the mouth. Now the handle of the bucket is going to cross on top of the face. So start up here, step up, curve this down, go across the eye, and then pull that up. Now I move down and draw on the body. Let's start over on the left, draw a straight angle line, coming down towards the bottom to right about there. Go to the right side, we're going to angle this out, come down towards the same height, and I'll flatten off the bottom with a straight line. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of each pupil. And once we finish filling that in, we'll sign our artwork and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's our Draw Brud from Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.